Look at those wings.
I know.
That vulture is opening his wings.
That's a vulture, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Never seen like it. Vultures are the only scavengers. They feast upon the carcasses.
Oh yeah. Then that's a vulture right there.
Well, they're only vultures are scavengers. You know, they say when they find a carcass to
set some
feast.
meat out and they'll go for it.
That's a baby.
They got horses and
I hope Delilah is still here. Excuse me. Excuse me. That's odd.
that's a deer.
Hold on, let me see.
That's what they call it.
What? Wait, hold on.
Maybe asleep in there.
In loving memory of Delilah. With the heavy hearts we shared that our beloved mule deer Delilah, who has been with us for 16 wonderful years, passed away on April the 9th, 2025. That's awful. You know, my poor Delilah, she passed away. Another deer. Another deer to come to this place. Red-tailed hawk.
Great horned owl.
He's making a pushy face. He's like, you see that?
Okay. I wanna go see the skunks and raccoons. Well, I'll let Adam be because he knows his way around. Because it's been a very long time since he's been here. See the skunk, raccoon, porcupine.
Barn owl. That's what it calls. Never seen anything like it.
Yeah, hello there.